How cool is a Pixel 8? That is the question. In the box you will find a dongle, cable and a book. Case is sold separately. And it's good to have a case because the device is a bit slippery. 6.2-inch screen will give you a maximum viewing experience, and it is snappy. But we do have sometimes a little bit of glitches when we're viewing a Google stuff. Sometimes, not all the time. Did you see it? Sometimes. But what kind of power do we have in this one? And we do have half what you can get in Galaxy S23 with a similar price tag, at least when I'm recording this video. Talk about the storage and CPU and GPU, also half. But if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, I will give you another number. Result. And in a single, it's above Pixel 7 Pro, but below Galaxy S23. Similar to the multi-score. But that power doesn't mean anything. If we cannot use it, then gaming. Gaming feels really nice. Very responsive. Winning. Wow, that is a smooth gaming experience. The camera app is divided by two. What does that mean? It means we have a separate settings for photo and separate for a video. And in the video department, we can record in 4K 60, 10-bit and switches lenses. During the recording, 10-bit is of course for HDR, so only 30 if you wanted to. Let me show you some samples for photo and video. And the question is, can we vlog? Something to eat. And here we go. In the wide-angle lens, without the focus, you can do all kinds of vlogging or presentation. And it looks crisp and really nice. Front-facing camera also 4K 60, but it doesn't have autofocus, and we can zoom. I'm not sure why. There is a possibility that we have a lot of background noise, but only with one touch of the button. We can hit noise cancellation, but in 30 frames per second. Also, we can do it in post-production in 60. Which one sounds better? Let me know in the comment below. Which one sounds better? Let me know in the comment below. Wide angle, regular lens, video stabilization. Again, wide angle, vlogging style if you want to vlog from these cameras. It's gone. Front-facing camera. For example, if you want to erase that dog, tools, magic eraser, make a circle around it, and it should be erased. If we hold the button, circle around it, it will search and find a particular item, prices and everything. Battery life, I have 3 hours, 14 minutes on the screen. Mostly camera, 44 minutes. Google 6 hours. YouTube 23 minutes. On the background, 3.5 hours. Screen on time 30 minutes on Call of Duty. A little bit of benchmark. And still have 41% of the battery. At the very beginning, when the smartphone was new, the battery goes very quickly. But now it's stabilized. It must be learning my daily usage. What did we learn? And we learned that it doesn't have autofocus in the front-facing camera, but wide angle is really good with autofocus and very wide, which is other way around for Samsungs. So which one will you choose to vlog? Are you vlogging from the wide angle main lens or maybe a front one? That is the question. Maybe you're not vlogging and you don't care about the video, only a photo experience and the experience itself on the menu. So this is much better than Galaxy S24. Much better, because it's quicker. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm pressing. I'm watching the screen, I should watch the lens. It's much quicker, it's very quick. It's a clean Android, much quicker than the Samsung Android. So which one will you choose? I'm choosing Pixel 8. Thanks for watching and see you next video.